Imagine a world without financial stress. A place where you're in complete control of your money, where every dollar is accounted for. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's the promise of YNAB, the popular budgeting app that has helped countless people achieve financial freedom. But have you ever wondered who's behind this powerful tool? Today, we're diving deep to answer the question, who owns YNAB? The early days. YNAB, short for You Need a Budget, was founded in 2003 by Jesse Meacham. Jesse, a former high school teacher, had a personal mission to help people take control of their finances. He started by creating a simple budgeting system for himself, and soon realized that others could benefit from his approach. The birth of a community. Jesse's initial budgeting system evolved into a full-fledged software application, which he launched in 2006. YNAB quickly gained a loyal following, thanks to its user-friendly interface and effective budgeting principles. As the community grew, so did the need for additional resources and support. The acquisition. In 2016, YNAB was acquired by a company called Rocket Software. The acquisition was a strategic move for Rocket, which was looking to expand its portfolio of financial technology products. Jesse Meacham remained involved with YNAB after the acquisition, serving as the company's CEO. The YNAB Foundation. One of the most interesting aspects of YNAB's history is the creation of the YNAB Foundation. This nonprofit organization was founded in 2017 with the goal of providing financial education and resources to underserved communities. The YNAB Foundation works with various partners to offer free budgeting workshops and online courses. The future of YNAB. YNAB continues to be a thriving company under Rocket Software's ownership. The app has evolved significantly since its early days, with new features and integrations being added regularly. The YNAB Foundation remains committed to its mission of financial education, and the company as a whole is focused on helping people achieve their financial goals. So, who owns YNAB? While the company is now part of Rocket Software, the spirit of YNAB remains the same. It's a tool that empowers individuals to take control of their finances and build a brighter future. Whether you're a seasoned YNAB user or just starting your budgeting journey, it's important to understand the history and ownership of this popular app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.